What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now guys, I have not been on here in forever, like seriously forever, but please forgive me guys. I have exams coming up in the next week and a half, so I kind of had to give priority to, those exams. So I had stayed off YouTube, and if you all noticed, even the Family Adventure Sunday we have not done for the past 2 weeks. And that was because of the carnival activities that we have going on right now. There is just so much going on. So we have not been able to actually do the Family Adventure Sunday for the past few weeks. But what we're gonna do is after the carnival season, we will restart. So you're gonna start seeing the vlogs on a Sunday in the next probably about two to 3 weeks maximum. But guys, I wanted to come on here because I felt like I needed a break. I felt like if I did not do something else, my brain was going to explode. Literally explode, because I have just been at it so much for the past couple of weeks. I think I just needed some time to just come on here, just put on the lights, put on the camera, and just do something a little different today. So I wanted to come on here, and I have been wanting to record this video all weekend, but the time was not on my side. But I need to share this with you all. I did a length check, I think on the 22nd of January, just after I did my first trim for the year. And when I was combing my hair, I think over the last week or so, I felt like my hair seemed to have grown. So I took my measuring tape and I put it to one of the sections that I normally do my length check, and it was an inch longer. And I was like, huh, is it really? So I am coming on here today so that I can do the various sections, so that I can compare the so that I can compare the length check that I did then to now, to see if all the sections that I did the measurements on are indeed an inch longer than they were when I did the length check. So we're gonna go into this video, do the length check, and then I'm gonna give you my number one tip that I have noticed for the past month that helped in retaining my length. So if you want to see, just keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna start with this left back section right here. That's it. Now guys, as you can see, I will list, let me go a little to this side. I will list the differences in the length right here so that you all can see. But as you will notice, I have actually grown an inch of hair in just 1 month, except for the area to the middle. Well, this part grows a little slower every time, so I expected that it would not grow as much as the other sections. But guys, let me tell you, my number one tip for retaining the length that I have gotten in this 1 month has got to be, drum roll please, keeping my hair stretched. That's it. That's the basic, simple recipe that I use in order to retain my length. Because guys, when the hair is stretched, I have found that it makes it so much easier to manage. There is less tangles, less knots, so I don't have so much of the shedding, I don't have so much breakage. I mean, my products and the growth oil helps a lot with the shedding and the breakage, so that's an added plus. But I have found that stretching the hair has caused the hair to knot onto itself much less, which means I experience way less shedding and way less breakage, so I am able to retain much more length as my hair is growing, because hair normally grows. But the secret to keeping your length is knowing how to retain that length that you have gained in a particular month. so that it keeps on growing and you keep retaining the length that you have gotten in that month. So I will say that my number one tip, guys, for retaining length has got to be stretching out your hair. I love my kinks. I love my hair when it is all wavy. I love it when it is all kinky, when it is shrunken. But I have found that in order to retain the length, keeping it stretched really, really helps. And I mean, with the styling that I do right now, keeping it stretched has got to be the easiest thing for me. Because like you all know, I love having my hand in my hair. So I style it almost every day for work. So it's a win-win for me. So I am hoping that this helps. I am gonna try and share my routine with you all in the next video. Hopefully I can maybe try and record that one time as I am in the little mood. Just record and upload a few videos for you all in the next few days. So I'm gonna share my routine and my regimen with you all as to what I have been doing for the past month, so you all can have an idea as to how I retain that 1 inch of length. Because I was planning to do a growth journey this year, and I have not even gotten around to doing that and to actually putting the plan in place as to what I want to do and exactly how it's going to work out, and I have gotten an inch of growth already. So I mean, you know, I'm gonna just look at it, take some time, test it out a little bit and see how it goes. So I may do another length check in the next month so that I can see if this method is actually working in retaining the length on my hair. But guys, let me know in the comment section, how do you plan to retain your length going into your growth journey this year? Let me know how your hair regimen has helped in retaining your length and what your hair regimen is and what recommendations you would have, so that we can, you know, help each other out. But guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.